Hi everyone, here we've got Samsung Galaxy F12 and let me share with you how to change keyboard language on this device. So first of all, we have to open the keyboard, for example in messages, it doesn't really matter, and now all we have to do is to simply tap on this settings icon. Now let's tap on languages and types, and as you can see here we've got only English applied because this is the list of all applied languages. So let's tap on manage input languages, and as you can see we've been transferred to the full list of all available languages, and some of them are downloaded, so all you have to do is to simply tap on the switcher, but here you've got also available languages which you have to download, and they will be automatically turned on and applied to the list. But let me pick something from the downloaded ones, and I will pick the graphical language in order to show the actual difference. So let me pick the Armenian, and as you can see right now it is active. After getting back you can see that it immediately appears on the list. What's more, here we've got new option, language switching method, and after tapping on it you can decide how you want to change the languages. So you can use the spacebar swipe, language key, or both of them, and I will pick this option in order to show you. So let's get back, and as you can see, here we've got a little difference. We've got the globe icon, which is the language key, and thanks to this we will be able to change the language. So let's pretend I'm typing something in English, but if I want to, I can tap on the globe icon, and as you can see, I can easily and smoothly switch to the Armenian one. Let's try the spacebar option, so let's tap on it and swipe. And as you can see, the same situation, I can easily swipe and change the language. So actually, this is it. This is how to add the language to a keyboard. And now let me show you how to remove the language, because sometimes you do not need two different languages applied. So simply tap on the settings, go to the languages and types. We have to manage input languages and just turn off the one you would like to remove. So in my case, obviously Armenian. Let's tap on it. As you can see, it is inactive. Here we've got only English right now, so it looks like at the very first step of adding the language. And after getting back, you can see that the language key simply disappeared. So it means that we can only type in English. As you can see, the swiping option do not work. So actually this is it. This is how to change keyboard language in your Samsung Galaxy F12. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.